Good morning, student. Welcome to accountancy class. Today, we are going to take up a topic, profit and loss appropriation account. After this class today, you are able to develop the skill of preparing profit and loss appropriation account, and it will help you to solve numerical related to it. And you are also able to differentiate between profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account. Dear student, as you know that in partnership is all about sharing profit and losses among the partners. So whatever the profit and loss earned by the firm, it has to be distributed among the partners. How it will be distributed? Which account will show this distribution? For that, there is a need of preparing one account. So the account that show the distribution of profit among all the partners is known as profit and loss appropriation account. In sole proprietorship business, we have learned there are three types of account that any sole proprietor firm is preparing. Number one, trading account that help us to calculate gross profit and gross loss. Profit and loss account that help us to calculate net profit and net loss. Balance sheet that help us to find out the financial position of the business with the help of assets and liability. But apart from these three accounts, partnership firm has to maintain one more additional account. The name of that account is profit and loss appropriation account. Why is it so? Because in partnership, there are two or more persons. So whatever the net profit or net loss a firm will earn is these are to be shared among partners in their profit sharing ratio. So the account that show the distribution of profit and loss among the partners is known as profit and loss appropriation account. This account is not required in case of sole proprietorship because whatever the net profit or net loss a business will earn, that will goes directly to a single person. So profit and loss appropriation account is not required in case of sole proprietorship firm, but it is required in case of partnership firm. So what is profit and loss appropriation account? So it is an extension of profit and loss account. What it means? It means in partnership firm, first we are preparing trading account. Once the trading account balances come, then that balances help us to prepare profit and loss account. So after preparing profit and loss account, we are supposed to prepare profit and loss appropriation account because this account shows the net profit and net loss, how these net profit and net loss are distributed among the partners. And this account started with the balances of amount of net profit. If there is a net profit, it will be transferred on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. If it is a loss, it will be transferred on the debit side of profit and loss account. So in case there is a profit, it will be shown there. Next is this specimen of profit and loss appropriation account. So profit and loss appropriation account, as we said, started with the balances of net profit. So if there is a net profit, it will transfer here. And if there is a net loss, it will be transferred on the debit side profit and loss appropriation account. After that, on the debit side, we are showing all the payments that partner will receive from the firm. Like if partnership deed provide for, partner will receive interest on capital. He will receive partner's salary. And if there is any provision of creating reserves, partners have agreed that reserves are to be created for the future contingency. So out of profit, these reserves will be created. So whatever the amount of profit a firm has generated, out of that profit, some amount of profit is given to partner in the form of interest on capital. If deed provides, some amount of profit is given to the partner in the form of salary, commission, bonus. Some part is transferred to reserves. And on the debit side, we are having interest on drawing. This is again, we are going to charge partner in case partnership deed provides for. So just like they are asking for interest on capital, firm can demand interest on drawing. And on the credit side, we are showing what firm will receive from the partner. So on the debit side, what partner will receive from the firm, and on the credit side, what firm will receive from the partner. So on the credit side, we are having two entry, one for the net profit and other is interest on drawing. And on the debit side, we are having entries. In case there is a net loss, it has to be written here, then net interest on capital, then partner salary, reserves. After that, we will close the account and we will be getting a profit. In case credit side is more, there will be a profit. Now this profit is called divisible profit. This profit is going to be shared by the partners in their profit sharing ratio. But in case debit side is more, in case there will be a loss, so that will also be shared by the partner. So understand this. We need to understand what are the expenses and what are their types. In partnership firm, there are many expenses. Some expenses are they are put into the bracket of charges, and some expenses are put into the bracket of appropriation. So what is charge and what is appropriation, that is need to be understand in order to understand the concept of profit and loss account and profit and loss appropriation account. So charge are all those items which has to be paid whether firm earn profit or not. And appropriations are those expenses which are to be given when there is a profit. If there is no profit, these expenses will not be paid. Why is it so? Because these are the expenses which depends on the amount of profit. So all the expenses which are charged, which are to be given regardless of the profit, are termed as charge, and all charge items are shown in profit and loss account. That we need to understand. All the charge expenditures, where will be shown? It will be shown in the profit and loss account. And appropriation items are to be shown in profit and loss account. So this clearance we need to have. So whenever there is a need of differentiating where to put the item, we need to understand its nature, whether it is charge or whether it is appropriations. All expenses which are charged to business will be shown in profit and loss account. Example के तौर पे salaries of the employees, office expenses, selling and distribution expenses, interest on loan, rent of the building, all these expenses are called charge, because whether firm earn business profit or not, these expenses has to be paid. So all these expenses are to be shown in profit and loss account. And all expenses which are appropriation to business will be shown in the profit and loss appropriation account. So these expenses are to be paid only when firm earn profit. In case there is no profit, it will not be paid. Example of appropriation items are interest on capital, salary to a partner, commission to a partner, any reserves, and interest on drawing is an item which is taken from the partner if deeds provide for. So these concepts are to be clear. In order to understand, we are having one very important thing. Always remember that amount payable to a partner, except what? Interest on loan and rent. Whenever we are paying any amount to the partner, but इसमें हम किसकी बात नहीं कर रहे, we are not talking about interest on loan and rent. So these two items are charged. How the rent is a charge? Sometime partner provided his own building for the business, but he is taking rent from the business for this building. So if partner is paying, provided any building, he's supposed to get the rent. But if there is no profit, how will he charge a business? So in that case, no rent. Uh, the rent is a something that has to be paid. It is like this. And interest on loan, if partner has provided any loan to the firm, so whether firm earn profit or not, it has to be given. So if partner has given any loan, interest is a charge. It will be shown in profit and loss account. If partner has provided any building, rent is a charge. It has to be shown in profit and loss account. Except that any other payment that we are making to a partner, like interest on capital, salary, commission, are all our appropriations. So except these two items, except these two items. Except these two items, all other payment that we are making to a partner is an appropriation, and that has to be shown in profit and loss appropriation account. In order to understand this, we will read this question and we'll solve it. Whenever the question is quite lengthy, it is expected to read what is being asked us to do. So we'll find out. So question lies here. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account to show the distribution of profit among the partners. So we are going to prepare it. But this question is quite lengthy and in the form of statement. So what is the first thing? We need to jot down what is given to us in the compact way. So that we have done. So after reading the content, we will read line to line, and the important information we will be writing on the piece of paper. It will help us to solve the question without reading that statement again and again. So 3 partners are there. Their capital is given. Partners' names are given. Then their capital is given. Profit sharing ratio is given. Yes. Salary is given only to one partner, and that to 1,000 per month. So we'll multiply it by 12 to calculate the total annual salary. Commission is paid to only one partner, that is Charu. Interest on capital is given 6%, that we have calculated 6% of 50,000, 6% of 40,000, and 6% of 30,000. Then drawings of partners are given to us, and interest on drawing amount is given to us in the question, and total profit is also given. Now see, in profit and loss appropriation account, we need interest on capital, interest on drawing, salary, commissions, right? And by putting these items, we will be getting the answer. See, so we put profit here, which is the for the year. Interest on drawings are here, and the total of this we are shown here. And then we have shown Amit's salary 12,000, Charu commission, and interest on capital will be internally total, and then it will be shown here. And then we get the divisible profit. This is called divisible profit. Now this divisible profit will be shared by partners in their profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2:1, and this will be transferred to their capital account. So this is how we will then. Next, take another question. In this question, there are 2 characters, Amitabh and Babul. But before studying this statement, we need to find out what is the question. The question is prepare profit and loss appropriation account showing the distribution of profit and partners capital account for the year ending March that. So in this question, 2 things we are supposed to do. One, we need to prepare profit and loss appropriation account, and second, we need to prepare partners capital account. So let's read this statement. Amitabh and Babul are partners sharing profit in the ratio of 3:2. With a capital of 50,000, 30,000 respectively, interest on capital is agreed at the rate of 6% per annum. Babul is to be allowed annual salary of 2,500 during the year 2019-20. The profit prior to the calculation of interest on capital, but after charging Babul's salary amounted to this. Now in this point, this line we need to understand what the meaning of this line is. So we have highlighted this line to take it up. What is the meaning of it? So see, this is the line. Profit prior to calculation. What it means? It means prior means before. Before means from this amount we have not deducted interest on capital. But after charging Babul's salary, what was the Babul's salary? Babul's salary was 2,500. It means this salary is already being deducted from this amount, which means the actual profit of the firm was this plus this. So the total profit of the firm was 15,000. And there is a provision of 5% of profit to be made in respect of commission to the manager. So again, we'll chalk out all this information on a piece of paper like this. Two partners, their capital, their profit sharing ratio, their salary, interest on capital we calculated, manager commission we have calculated like this. But before calculating manager commission, we have to see net profit for the year. It is 15,000 because they said after charging partner salary, and we wanted to show the total profit, not the deducted profit. So we add back this profit salary to it and it makes 15,000. And provision manager commission is 5% of the profit. So sometimes student, what they are doing, they are calculating interest on this, 5% on this, which render their question wrong. But you are not supposed to. You have to calculate exact profit and then 15,000 into 5 by 100 to calculate his manager commission. So see this, here we will be adding up this salary and make this net profit 15,000. Then we will be showing his salary, capital, internally add up, and here we are showing manager commission because this is a provision that we are making it for the manager commission. And after that, the divisible profit comes to us 6,950 and it will be distributed among in their profit sharing ratio and transferred to their partners capital account. So this is the first part of the question. The second part is to prepare their capital account. So in Amitabh Capital, we have already learned the capital account. So opening balance of capital is given. Interest on capital we have calculated 3,000, and this is the share of profit that he will be receiving from the firm, that is 4,170 divisible profit. And here comes the closing balance on the closing date. Similarly for the Babul, we are having opening balance, then salary because he is supposed to get the salary, interest on capital that he will be getting, and the share of profit that he will be getting from the partnership firm, and then we'll close it. This is come. So in this way, if you will go through all the statement thoroughly and you will follow the step. It's quite easy for you to solve these questions, and these are quite interesting questions that you'll have to practice. I hope this concept is clear, dear student. Thank you.